ya sogeza kwa page. Niliwaambia huko ni maziwa. So ana 6 market in just 2 runs nimepata 2000 Kenyan shillings. How have I written this using these candlesticks? Okay, it is very simple. So stay with me as I show you how to run this on deriv using the site. Okay, so for this market, we are going to use, for the under 6 market, using the deriv trading view. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step on how you can earn using this apart from using circles. Okay, so let me refresh everything. Just a minute. So go to your Chrome and search the deriv trading view. So the trading view, the candlesticks comes blank, no indicators, no nothing to show momentum, nothing to show direction, but you must use some indicators so that you can find a good market. Okay, so the first indicator is the moving average, the MA, the moving average. This moving average, it helps to tell you is the market rising or falling. It helps in confirming if the market is falling. So for a rising market, the candlesticks must form above the blue line, which is the moving average. The candlesticks are this one. It is forming above the moving average, meaning it is a good rising market. Then the next indicator is the CCI, Commodity Channel Index. Okay, this one now, it helps in confirming if the rising market or the falling market has a rising momentum by showing the direction of the market. So it has confirmed that when the CCI has a shaded part and has a blue line. This is the ocean, and the blue line should be inside the ocean. For rising market, okay? For rising market, the blue line must be facing upwards and must be inside the ocean. Sawa? Let's go. Then the next indicator is the MACD, the last indicator. Inayo iko na kazi mingi kama hizi zote, okay? So this is the MACD has a blue line. It has a blue line, has a yellow line or the orange line, then has the dark red histograms, the light red histograms, the dark green histograms, and the light green histograms, okay? So for a rising market, the MACD must have a dark green histogram, and the blue line must be on top of the orange line. Okay, and they must face upwards. Sawa hadi hapo. Then so kuna kama kwa hii market, okay? Yes, this iko sawa. Then MACD imekataa. Unaona hii bado haija cruise. Unaona? So let's find a good market, okay? So let's go. Ukitaka change volatility, this is how you do it, okay? Finya hapa kumeandiko 25 and 25 hapo. Una delete hiyo yenye iko hapo, una delete hivyo. Unafanya hapa kumeandiko derived, then unaenda hapa kwa volatilities, okay? So for the volatilities, okay? You go to the lower time frames, Ona hii time frame yenye iko hapa, huwezi ingia na kwa deriv. Hii inakwambia ati 1 hour, 17 hours imalize, no. You must go to the lower time frames. Hapa kuna 2 hours. You go to 30 minutes time frame. You find a good market for the under 6 hour over 3 market. But for now, you are going for the under 6 market, a clean under 6 market. Let me show you. So, ukiangalia hapa, the candlestick forming imeform above the moving average. CCI imepoint upwards with na iko wapi ndani ya ocean, okay? Then the MACD, the blue line is on top of the orange line hapa, and then kuna dark green histograms, okay? So if you are using a digital site, kuja hapo uchukue the entry point scanner board. The best board for this market ni entry point scanner board. Load the board, eka hiyo volatility ya 10 index volatility. Wanapo imeandikwa 10 index volatility. Hapa kwa both eka under 6 market, okay? Then hapa kwa time frame, hapa time frame ya ngapi? That means time frame. Eka hapa ngapi? That means time frame. Okay? Entry point use 4. Kumbuka guys, entry point ni 4. Kama kuna swali, eka hapo kwa comment section tu ni kujibu mbio, okay? Stake eka sikulingana na account yako, okay? I can stake with 34. a prediction, naika 6. Aya, then take profit, I'm going to put maybe 50. Stop loss, neki kama 70. Then run the market is still clean, run the boat. So boat yenyewe ina scan entry point. So hapa ikiapia 4, hapa ikiapia 4 hapa kwenye kuna 2, hapo kwenye kuna 2 hapo unaona ikiapia 4 ndio 4 imeapia 31 ndio 4 ishapata entry point. Hivyo tu. Remember guys, it is a do run strategy. Ikienda loss hivi ngoja recovery usiweza, ikienda loss kama hivi recovery una stop. Hivyo maziwa. Then unafanyaje? Una reset, una run tena. Just kumbuka it is a 2 run strategy. Usene more than 2 runs. Sawa, but in case of any loss recovery una stop. Ni runs ngapi? Mbili until it definitely kama chini ishe. It is valid for 8 minutes, okay? So utenda for 2 runs per session. So utangoja ni point yako hivi, 2 runs una stop, una reset, una run tena. Hivyo until you hit your take. Ndio febisha kuza 4. Yes, 2 runs only, tuone. First run win. Maziwa. Second run tuone guys, win. Maziwa. How much is this in Kenyan shillings? Tumepinda how much guys? How much is this in Kenyan shillings How much is this in Kenyan shillings? Imagine guys, hakuna kufanya kitu ngumu. Ni hivyo tu. Guys, 4,800 Kenyan shillings in just 3 seconds. It is that simple. So guys, make sure you're using the right boot, the right indicators and the right site. You're using Kivinji. The site ni maziwa.